Hello friends, today we'll install Speedotrack GPS tracking device on Ford EcoSports. So this is Ford EcoSports and today we'll install Speedotrack GPS tracking device without any wire cut, which will not void your warranty of your car. So no wire cut. So inside the box you will get Speedotrack GPS tracking device, SIM card, relay and relay socket. Now for the installation we have to open this flap and this cover. So like this we have to open this cover and we have to find out the ignition coupler. So we have to gently press and pull out the ignition coupler. Now here we have to find out the correct wiring. So for that we are using multimeter and we are testing the continuing power line without the ignition key. So one by one we have to check. So we are getting 12.5 volt on this wire, yellow and red color. So this is our continuing power line. Now we have to check the ignition wire. So we have made a jumper wire and connected one end to the continuing power line wire, which is the red and yellow, and then we have to connect to other wire. So the last wire, which is the yellow wire, when we are connecting the jumper wire, so the dashboard lights turns on. So this is the ignition wire. The color is black and yellow. Yellow wire with black strip is the ignition wire. Now you have to gently open this cover, and because we have to not cut any wire, so we will remove the pin. So this is the pin, we have to remove this one of the ignition wire. So gently press and pull back. So this is the pin. You can find this pin on the market, and in the relay green wire we have punched that pin, and after that we have to insert in that port, which was the ignition wire port. After that insert this cover. And now connect the other end of the relay green wire to the ignition wire of the vehicle, which is the yellow and black color, and also add the device yellow wire, which is the ignition status wire. So we have made a series for the ignition line, and after the wiring, tape it properly. Relay yellow wire is connected to device white wire, which is the digital output wire for controlling your engine, for immobilizing. So for testing the relay whether it is working properly or not, you have to touch the relay yellow wire to the body ground of the vehicle. So while you touch it, you can see the ignition lights turns off and you can hear some cranking sound from the relay. So by this we confirm that the wiring is okay for the relay. Now we need to have the continuing power line for the device. So this was the wire, red and yellow color wire, which is the continuing power line. We are using the Scotch lock to take the connection. And the red wire is the device power wire. So we connect here and press it gently to take the power from this wire. Like this, you have to connect it and take the power. Now the last one is the black wire, which is the body ground. You have to connect it on any of the screw or body ground so that you will get the negative connections. So the wiring process is complete. The black wire is connected to the body ground of the vehicle. The white wire is connected to the relay yellow wire for the digital output purpose. Yellow wire is the ignition status wire, which is connected to relay wire, and the white wire, which is the relay positive, is connected towards the coupler side of the green wire. And after all the wiring is complete, just fix the coupler back like this. So the wiring is complete. Now we have to fix the device. We are using the 2-in-1 tape to tape it properly. So the device has been placed. After that, put the cover back like this. Tighten all the screws and on the top also. And then cover this flap. So the wiring process is complete. Now let's open the Speedotrack mobile tracking application. You can see the EcoSport is live, and then click on that and go to lock button. So click on engine lock and then press yes. Enter the password provided and click on OK and send via GPRS. So you can see the lock command is executed. The engine is on, but after the command is executed, you can see the engine turns off and the dashboard lights turns off. So if you are trying to turn on the ignition, it will not work because we have locked from mobile. And to unlock it, we have to click on engine unlock and press yes. Enter the password and click OK. So as you can see, there is no light on the dashboard, and after sending the lock command, just after 5 seconds you can see the lights come and you can turn on the engine now. You can see the engine turn on and you can see the RPM meter. So it's complete.